You hear that?
Who is it?
I don't know. Go check.
No, you go check.
I'm not opening that door.
I'm not either. You go check.
Let me look. I don't know. Who could it be?
I don't know.
Can't see anything. Open the door.
You open the door.
Who is that?
Oh, look, it's my dad.
Oh, much better than the other night. We couldn't figure out who it was, right?
Exactly.
20 years ago, we would all ran to the door to open it up. Now we need this video doorbell, security camera, and the monitor. I put a link in the video.